Have you ever noticed that strange energy drop around 2 or 3 p.m.? Like you were doing okay, maybe even focused, and then suddenly it's like someone pulled the plug. Your brain slows down, your eyelids feel heavy, you just want to nap or grab a coffee or disappear under your desk for a bit. Yeah, you're not alone. That afternoon crash happens to a lot of us students, workers, even people who think they're eating healthy or sleeping well. But here's the good news. There's a reason why this happens, and once you understand it, you can fix it. Seriously, what if your afternoons didn't feel like a battle? What if you actually had more energy later in the day, not less? Let's talk about it. Part 1, your body's natural rhythm. First, you should know, this isn't just laziness. It's not because you're weak or unmotivated. There's actually a rhythm inside your body, called your circadian rhythm. Think of it like your body's internal clock. It tells you when to wake up, when to feel alert, when to sleep. And guess what? Most people naturally feel a dip in energy in the early afternoon, usually between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. It's part of your biology. Even if you slept well, even if you had a good breakfast, this energy dip can still happen. So don't beat yourself up for it. Your body is just doing what it's designed to do. But here's the thing. While this dip is natural, the way we live can make it way worse. Let's break down what's secretly draining your energy and how to take back control. Part 2, Reason 1, poor sleep, and not just the amount. Let's start with the obvious one, sleep. But I'm not just talking about how much you sleep. I'm talking about the quality of your sleep. You might sleep 7 or 8 hours and still feel tired in the afternoon because your sleep was shallow or broken. Maybe you stayed up scrolling on your phone. Maybe your room wasn't dark enough. Or maybe you ate late and your body was still digesting when you were trying to rest. Deep, restful sleep matters. It's where your brain and body actually recover. And if your brain didn't fully recharge during the night, guess what? By afternoon, your energy is running on fumes. Fix it like this. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet, like a cave. Try a short walk after dinner to help digestion and sleep quality. Better sleep tonight, more energy tomorrow afternoon. Part 3, Reason 2, the blood sugar roller coaster. Here's a sneaky reason for that afternoon crash, your blood sugar. Imagine this. You eat a big, carb-heavy lunch, maybe a sandwich, some chips, a soda. Your body gets a huge spike in sugar. You feel a quick burst of energy, and then crash. Your blood sugar drops hard. Your brain feels foggy. You can't focus. You feel tired, cranky, maybe even hungry again. This is super common. It's what happens when we eat too much processed food, too many simple carbs, or too much sugar at once. Fix it like this. Add protein and healthy fats to your lunch. It slows down digestion and keeps energy steady. Choose whole foods: chicken, eggs, avocado, nuts, veggies, brown rice. Avoid sugar bombs. No, that frappuccino doesn't help. You don't need to diet, just balance your meals better. Your body will thank you with stable energy. Part 4, Reason 3, you're dehydrated. Here's something people overlook all the time. Dehydration. You might not feel thirsty, but if you're even a little dehydrated, it can mess with your energy, your mood, and your focus. Your brain is mostly water. When you're low on it, your brain slows down. You feel tired for no clear reason. And here's the thing. Most people don't drink enough water in the morning. They might drink coffee, maybe tea, but water? Not really. So by the time it's afternoon, your body's running dry. Fix it like this. Start your day with a big glass of water before coffee. Keep a bottle near your desk and sip regularly. If plain water is boring, add lemon, mint, or cucumber. You'd be surprised how much more alive you feel just by drinking enough water. Part 5, Reason 4, sitting too long equals low energy. Let me ask you this. How long do you sit during the day? 1 hour? 3? More? If you're like most students or office workers, you probably sit for hours without moving. And the problem is, sitting too long equals less blood flow equals low energy. When you don't move, your body thinks, oh, we're resting, we don't need energy. Your brain starts to shut down. Your muscles get stiff. You feel sleepy, slow, maybe even a little down. Fix it like this. Stand up every hour, even just for a minute. Stretch, walk around, shake out your arms. Take walking meetings, or just pace while thinking. Your brain needs movement to stay alert. Even small bursts of activity help. Part 6, Reason 5, mental overload and decision fatigue. Okay, let's talk about something invisible, mental energy. You know how your phone loses battery faster when you run a bunch of apps at once? Same with your brain. Every time you make a decision, answer a message, switch tabs, scroll TikTok, reply to emails, you're burning mental fuel. And by afternoon, you might be running on empty. Not because your body is tired, but because your mind is. Fix it like this. Do your most important tasks in the morning. Avoid multitasking. It drains you faster than you think. Take mental breaks. Breathe, close your eyes, step away from screens. A clear mind, more energy. So yeah, feeling tired in the afternoon? Totally normal, but it's not something you just have to accept. When you understand what's really going on, your body's rhythm, your sleep, food, movement, and mental habits, you can actually beat that crash. And the best part? Most of the solutions are simple. In the second half of this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a daily routine that keeps your energy steady, how to time your meals, breaks, and tasks so you feel sharp even at 3 p.m., and a few bonus tips from science-backed habits that high performers use every day. So, ready to finish strong? Part 7, build a daily rhythm that works with your body, not against it. Let's be real. Your energy doesn't just depend on one thing. It's a rhythm, a system. And if you learn to work with your body instead of fighting it, everything feels easier. So instead of trying to power through the afternoon slump, let's redesign your day. Think of your energy like a wave. It rises and falls. You can't force it to be high all day, but you can catch the wave at the right times, and that's when life starts feeling smooth. Here's how. Step 1. Protect your morning energy like gold. Your brain is usually sharpest in the first few hours after you wake up. So don't waste that precious energy checking social media, replying to random texts, or getting lost in notifications. Use that time for deep work, whatever matters most to you. Studying, writing, planning, building, whatever pushes your life forward. When you win the morning, the rest of the day feels lighter. You'll feel more accomplished and less stressed by the afternoon. Step 2. Respect the afternoon dip, but don't fear it. Around 1 to 3 p.m., your energy naturally dips, and that's okay. This is a great time for tasks that don't require high focus. Things like organizing your to-do list, responding to casual emails, doing hands-on physical work, going for a walk, or taking a 15-minute nap. Yes, I said nap. A short nap, 10 to 20 minutes, can reset your brain and help you feel refreshed without making you groggy. Just set an alarm, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Even if you don't fall asleep, just resting your brain helps. Step 3. Snack smart, not sleepy. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack when you're tired, go for something that supports your energy. Some great afternoon snacks. A handful of almonds and a banana. Greek yogurt with berries. Hummus and carrot sticks. Hard-boiled egg and whole grain toast. You want protein plus fibers, healthy fats. That combo fuels your brain without crashing your system. And don't forget the water. Hydration is your secret weapon. Step 4. Move your body in small ways. You don't need to hit the gym for 2 hours. Sometimes all your brain needs is a quick change of state. Stand up. Stretch your arms. Do 10 jumping jacks. Walk outside and get sunlight. Sunlight is a big one, by the way. Even 5 to 10 minutes outside can reset your internal clock and wake up your brain. It sounds simple, but movement plus light equals natural energy boost. Step 5. Try time blocking to avoid brain drain. Instead of reacting to your day, try planning it in small blocks. For example, 9 to 11, deep work, no distractions. 11 to 12, admin tasks. 12 to 1, lunch plus light walk. 1 to 3, shallow work, emails, calls. 3 to 4, break plus reset. 4 to 6, creative tasks or movement. This structure helps your brain stay focused in short bursts instead of trying to grind nonstop. And you'll stop wondering, why am I so tired? Because you'll already know how to manage it. Bonus tips, tiny changes, big results. Let's wrap it up with a few bonus tips that can make a huge difference, especially if you feel tired a lot. Lower your caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine stays in your system for hours. It may help short-term, but it can mess up your sleep at night, which starts the tired cycle all over again. Breathe better. Seriously, many people take shallow breaths all day. Try this. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Do that 3 times, and you'll feel calmer and more alert. Don't skip breakfast. When you skip breakfast, your body tries to save energy, which means by afternoon, you crash harder. A light breakfast with protein and complex carbs can do wonders. Cut down screen overload. Constant screen time drains your eyes and your brain. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Your brain will thank you. The truth is, you don't have to feel tired every afternoon. You don't have to keep running on caffeine and stress just to get through your day. You're not broken. You're just human. And your energy isn't random. It's something you can understand, manage, and master. Small changes add up. Better sleep, balanced meals, a bit more movement, smarter breaks. All of it helps you feel more alive, not just in the morning, but all day long. Imagine this. You feel focused at 10 a.m. You still have energy at 3 p.m. And by 6 p.m., you're not exhausted. You're proud of how well you managed your day. That's possible, and it starts with one choice at a time. So the next time you feel that afternoon fog rolling in, don't panic. Breathe. Drink some water. Take a short walk. Trust your body and work with it. You've got this. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more simple tips to upgrade your everyday life. See you in the next video.